Knowing how to work your kitchen tools makes you an efficient cook. Well, today our friends at Orson Gygi help you get chefy and cut down your prep time.
Hi, it's Candace and Heather from Orson Gygi, and we're here to share with you 3 of our top time-saving tips so that you can get dinner on the table much quicker.
First up, we're going to talk about chopping an onion, because every recipe, you need an onion.
Yes.
You're going to start by cutting your onion in half, lengthwise, and then you're going to cut off that root tip and peel off that papery skin that you don't want to eat
Well,
anyway.
the hair part is.
Yeah. Then you're going to cut lengthwise cuts into your onion, and you want to keep them as uniform as possible. And you don't want to cut into this root tip, because that's going to hold it all together. So I'm just going to cut lengthwise this way.
As you're cutting into it, you want to make sure that you're doing pretty uniform pieces too, because as you go to cook it, you're going to want them all about the same size so that they'll cook at the same time.
And you're just going to cut it. Turn your onion and cut the other direction. And that's going to give you nice uniform pieces that you can put into whatever you're making.
And just like Candace created the flat edge with her onion, you can do the same thing for anything that's round. So like a potato or a carrot, a cucumber, anything like that that's going to maybe roll around your cutting board. A lot easier way to cut it is first cut it into a manageable size and then create a flat edge. And so that when you do go to put it on your cutting board, it's just not going to roll away. And then you're ready to go.
Yeah, that's perfect. The last tip we want to share with you is preparing citrus fruit for a salad or for a topping on something. It's always beautiful to do it this way. So you're going to cut off both of the ends, and you want to use a serrated knife for this. It's going to cut through that pith way easier. And you're just going to take your knife and go right around the edge. You don't want to cut too deep, but you just want to make sure that that bitter pith is removed, okay?
No one wants that.
No. Cut that around like that, and once it's done, you can take a little paring knife, and you're going to cut down inside that piece of fruit and kind of peel it open. And you're going to find where the fruit meets in with the membrane there, and you're just going to peel it right off. It goes right into a bowl. Move on to the next one, cut down inside, and peel it open. Keep moving around, and when you're done, you can always squeeze that middle part all together, and that creates more juice for your salad.
These are all tips that we use on a weekly basis, trying to get dinner on our table for our busy family. So we hope this helps you and your family eat together more.
I am all about efficiency, and that was a pretty cool citrus trick, a pretty cool trick with the grapefruit. Keep the juices like they said, and have those pretty slices perfectly placed on top of your salad. Thank you, ladies.